We're here near the Huan Kim Lake. Leon, you have not tried this soup before, right? Are you ready? All right, here we go. I'm gonna try it out. We're here in beautiful Hanoi, Vietnam, and we just arrived about an hour ago. Been telling my friend about this one soup in particular called Bánh Đa Cua, which is a shrimp noodle soup. We're here near the Huan Kim Lake, and this is the soup right here. Has a bunch of different meats. Nem is this one. Tofu, beef, onion, and the noodles, for example, look like this. Brown colored noodles with bean sprouts as well. And this is a northern Vietnamese specialty. Originated, from what I know, originated in Hai Phong. I'm gonna add some of the different types of greens here. Some mince, some lettuce. And then maybe put a bit of the spices as well, if you like it spicy. Over here, we call it the, I think it's kumquat, which is their version of lime. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Oh, it feels so good to be back in Vietnam. Leon, you have not tried this soup before, right? Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's try it out. Bánh Đa Cua. Looks delicious. Can't wait to try it. How is it, Leon?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? We're going on a food adventure today. Right now it is, what time is it right now? 8? Around like 8:30 p.m. on July 28th. Just arrived in Hanoi. We were first in Ho Chi Minh City together and then went to Nha Trang. We're working our way up north and now we're in Hanoi. Gonna stay here for a couple of days before heading out to Sapa and then Halong Bay. Here's the place if you want to make reference to that. Hanoi is always busy. I remember it being like this back 2 years ago. Especially after COVID, things are starting to get back to normal. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try it out. Looks delicious. Look at that.
Doing like this back.
Very hard to find the soup back in Vancouver. They do have one place that my friend recommended on Victoria Drive in Vancouver, BC, Canada, which is the one place I know that sells Bánh Đa Cua. My friend Phương An, thank you for the reference to that. But aside from that, yeah, there are no other places that I know of in Vancouver that have this type of soup. There's just so much going on in the soup. It's so much flavor. Amazing, I love it. All right, so this is the first type of soup that we're going to try here in Hanoi. And stay tuned. We're going to go to the next place after this, over the next few days. Check out some more types of soups. Okay, so here's the menu. And I don't know why it's not on the menu, so you would have to ask them separately for Bánh Đa Cua. Right?